Oppo's new F5 is a selfie-focused phone just like its predecessors, but the main emphasis with this model is its huge 6-inch 18:9 screen. Oppo has become the most recent of several companies attempting to eliminate borders around the screen, and we're going to find out if the F5 should be your next phone. In terms of looks, the tall screen is the first thing you'll notice. It has a full HD plus resolution and measures 6 inches from corner to corner. Thanks to the 18:9 aspect ratio and narrow sides, the Oppo F5 is still relatively easy to hold and use. The front is plastic while the rear shell is metal and has a matte texture that's easy to grip. The fingerprint sensor is within easy reach. The removable tray on the right has slots for 2 nano SIMs as well as a micro SD card, but we're disappointed to see an old-style micro USB port on the bottom. The front camera can be used to unlock the phone with facial recognition. We found that the registration process failed several times before we were finally able to set it up, and even after that there was a slight delay when unlocking the F5. Oppo has used MediaTek's new octa-core MT6763T processor, and the model that has launched now has 4GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. A variant with 6GB and 64GB respectively will launch later. Performance in everyday tasks as well as games is pretty snappy and we had no complaints. Most apps scale to the taller screen just fine. Oppo ships the F5 with its custom Color OS skin running on top of Android 7.1, and while it's very different from stock Android, there are loads of useful features and it's quite polished overall. The Oppo F5 has a 20 megapixel front camera and what the company is calling an AI-powered beautification mode. It's supposed to be able to identify facial features, and Oppo says it has trained its algorithms on multiple kinds of people in order to identify what specific beautification techniques to apply to different subjects. In our experience, there wasn't much difference between photos taken at different levels, but perhaps the subtlety is the main advantage here. The rear 16 megapixel camera takes decent shots in the daytime as well as at night. Details are reproduced well, colors are rich, and focusing is quick. Even at night, if there's a little bit of incident light, results come out well. Battery life is also pretty good, and we were able to get through a day and a half even with a little bit of gaming and web video streaming. Unfortunately, quick charging isn't supported. The Oppo F5 hits a pretty attractive price point considering what you get. The screen is large and immersive and the cameras are both quite strong. A lot of people will be happy with the experience, making this a worthwhile choice. Thanks for watching. For more reviews and videos like this, visit us at gadgets360.com.